Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. File EPL, exercises of and from practical life. The most important part of practical life activity is personal care. Today's practical number 6 belongs to personal care, and the activity presentation name is dressing frames. Here we have a dressing frames of zip. In this particular activity, as it's an individual presentation, the directors show the child how to unzip. Place the left hand at the left side, and with the right hand she used to unzip the frame. Turns one flap and the other, holding both flaps down, shows the empty portion, then pulling back the flap, shows her 3 fingers, put her thumb on the zip, and then zip up the frame once again. The smooth hand and eye coordinator, fine motor skill. With the help of her both hands, she presses the frame flap and the piece of cloth, so the child can understand after zipping any object, it should be neat, clean and tidy and firm. Students, this particular activity can be given on some object like bag, pouch, the child's own dress. So, how to handle zipping activity? Zip and unzip some cloth or object, you need to know usage of your thumb and 2 fingers. Thank you so much.